All right, so you want to find out how to find some hot stocks that are moving pre-market? Well, today I'll be helping you out. My name is Elton Vargas. I'll be your host for today, and I'll be helping you find some pre-market stocks, pre-market hot stocks that are moving before anybody else. Uh, so let's get started. And today we're going to be using the platform Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade. So if you don't have the platform, then this video is going to be useless for you. So I definitely recommend. It's completely free for you to get this platform. All you have to do is just make sure you have a open account with TD Ameritrade, and then you're able to download the link over here. You're able to download the platform again completely for free. You don't have to deposit any money whatsoever. But to help you get started, let's check it out. So first and foremost, today's hot stock for today, June 22nd, we found IDX. This stock did appear on my scanner this morning pre-market, and then I'm gonna put a link to the live stream that I did of this stock moving pre-market right here in the top right corner. So make sure you click on that video so you can watch again IDX, the hot stock for today, move. So to stop wasting time, let's just get over to the scanner. So I already have my scanner set up like this, but I'm gonna take some stuff away and then help you organize all this properly and then show you how you're able to add this stuff. But to make it 10 times easier for you, I actually put a link down below to help you guys just copy and paste the link, and this scanner, all this stuff is going to be already implemented in here for you, so you don't even have to do anything besides just copy and pasting, and I'll show you how that is going to work for you. So let's close all this out. And so for pre-market, a lot of stocks are usually don't have too much volume, so you have to kind of create you gotta create a scanner that finds the stocks that have less volume than usual, because once the market opens, the volume picks up. So the first thing we do is we make sure that you're over here in the stock hacker. So scan stock hacker, and then we gotta add a filter. So we're gonna click this filter button, and then we're gonna do stock. The first thing that I like to do is put the price. So we're gonna do the price of a closing price. Again, I'm trading penny stocks, so penny stocks that are between, I will say, 50 cents all the way up to $7. That's pretty good range of a penny stocks. Next, I'm gonna find out volume. So first I got price, next I got a volume. So I get add a filter and then press the stock, and then we go head over to the volume. Where's it at? Volume, here we go, volume. So pre-market, the volume is very low already. So again, there's not going to be too much volume pre-market, so we have to find stocks that just barely have any volume. So the minimum volume I'm gonna set up for is going to be 50,000, and that's definitely going to help me out there. And from there, if you hit scan, you're gonna see that we have 1,400 stocks already pre-market. So I'm doing this after market hours, so there's 1,400 stocks, but pre-market it would look a whole different. There's gonna be less stocks, but that's still way too big, so we're trying to come down as slow as possible. So we gotta add another filter, and this filter is going to be another stock filter, and this one is going to be, where's it at, percent change. So percent change is basically if the stock moved up or moved down, and I like to set it crazy low, because if a stock moved down, it can have a huge reversal, and if the stock moved up, it can continue or it can just sell off. So I like to set a percent change of negative 100%. Again, that's just my preference on that, and it definitely helps me narrow it down to like a lot of stocks, and no stocks can get past negative 100%. So that's definitely gonna help out right there. As you can see, we still are at 1,450 stocks that we have to watch. But again, pre-market, all these stocks are going to be different. The stocks again are going to be very different when it comes to the pre-market stocks. And let me see, so I have the close, which again is the price, the volume, the percent change, and what's the last thing? Let me load it up. I think I'm missing one. Pre-market, Oh yes, shares. So shares right here. Again, we got a stock, a filter, and then you gotta head over to the shares. And this is the most important one of it all, is shares, because this determines the stock flow of a stock. So I want low penny stocks usually have low market cap. I want market cap is basically how many shares, low float. And low float means their stocks have a lot of risk. So usually big companies like Apple, Amazon, they have billions of hundreds of billions of shares available to be traded, while penny stocks only have a few million to a few hundred million in shares to be traded in the stock market. So again, the lower the number of the float is, the higher the risk of the trade. So the biggest important one is this shares. So you gotta click again the stock filter and then do the shares, look for shares, and then boom, click on shares, and then you gotta put 2 billion as the market cap, and that number is definitely going to help out again on finding those stocks. As you can see, the number did drop from 1450 to 1398, but again, this is just a little bit broad right now. But again, once the stocks, you're checking out the stocks pre-market before the market opens, then this number is not going to be a good 1300. It's only going to be a good 50 to 100, maybe 200, possibly even less than 500 stocks. And then throughout the day, as stocks, once the market opens, then boom, all these other stocks are gonna start adding up. And as you guys can see, one of the biggest stocks that was here was IDX. Like I did mention, again, the link is right here in the top right corner, so that way you guys are able to see how this stock was moving in pre-market. And I was watching it right here on my stock scanner right here. So this is my stock scanner right here. So this is where I was able to find IDX right here. I analyzed it and then I traded it, and it was a small profit, but it was a green day regardless. But again, that's how you're able to scan for stocks pre-market, especially hot stocks, especially for there's a lot of gurus out there who want to sell you all these stocks that are moving, all this and that. But guess what? This is completely free for you guys. And again, I made it 10 times easier because all you have to do is click on the link below. So you guys don't have to go through the struggle of all this. So all you have to do is copy the link below, and then on your Thinkorswim platform, you gotta head over to the top right corner where it says setup. You can click on that setup, and then head down to open share item. You gotta click on that, and then you gotta paste the link of this scanner that I have the link down below right here, and then boom, press open, and everything is gonna be already set up for you. And all you have to do is just put it here, save it, and then boom, it's gonna be available for you to look at it. And the way you're gonna be able to find it is, there's gonna be this little fire, this small flames figure or icon, and then next to it is gonna be three lines. You gotta click on those three lines, and then head over to load scan query, head over to personal, and then your scanner is going to be right in there. It's already it's named already. If you want to change the name, you can go ahead and do so before you save it, but otherwise it's already in here. Again, on the three lines, load scan query, personal, and then boom, it's gonna pop up right there. And then all you gotta do is click on it, and then press scan pre-market or aftermarket hours, and then boom, all the hot stocks that are moving for that day are going to be in there. I guarantee it. If they're not in there, then you guys can make some adjustments on the scanner, maybe because it was price, maybe it's because of volume. So I do have a scanner that is pre-market, and I also have a scanner that it's also for once the market opens up a little bit, then all these filters do change, so it's not too much of a difference. So which is my trending stocks 2.0. And again, the price is a little bit different. The shares are still the same, 2 billion, but the percent change went up to 3%, and the volume also did change a lot too. So again, I'll link both of these, both the pre-market scanner and the trending stocks 2.0 scanner down below. All you have to do is head over to your setup, click on open share items, and then paste both one link in there, press open, and then save it into your personal scan query, and then copy and paste the trending stocks 2.0 link, paste it, and then save it into your personal scans query. And then from there you guys should be able to have your scanners set up right there. Again, completely free. If you see a stock that a guru is saying that this stock is moving, then instead of paying for his or her memberships of whatever they charge you for them to give the stocks that are moving, you can find the same identical stocks that are moving with these scanners. Again, they might have some differences on some stuff, but you guys most likely are going to find the stocks that are moving. Especially the hot stock for today that was moving was IDEX, which made a huge move. Again, I did my analysis pre-market, so make sure you click on the link above where it broke out from that 284 resistance, and it went up to 398 for the rest of the day for a 38% move. So again, it's all on my live stream that I did pre-market with some analysis. And then again, I use the same scanner that I just gave you guys completely for free down below. So there it is. You guys are able to find the hot stocks right there completely for free. If you guys do have any questions, comments, concerns, definitely let me know down below. I'll definitely love to help you out, and it will definitely help out a lot too if you guys did like this video, and let me know how you guys liked it. If you have any questions, let me know down below. But other than that, you guys should be able to find the hot stocks that gurus out there are charging people completely for free over here with this video. So again, the links are down below. Remember, just copy and paste, and then open up and then save it into your personal scan query, and then boom, you guys are all set. So if you guys like the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel as well, as I'm loading up a lot of videos like this and on how-tos with Thinkorswim, and a lot of other content that is going to help you guys become successful traders and more a better trader just overall, especially with today's markets where there's crazy markets out there. So again, this pre-market scan is definitely gonna help you out too, and it's gonna help save you a lot of money too. So don't spend any money, just copy and paste the links down below, and then boom, you guys are all set. And also, as a bonus, I'll give you guys my scanner, my trading setup. I'll put the link down below of how all this is organized, all these icons over here that are telling me the daily average, the daily volume, all these arrows, the simple moving averages. So all this is good. I'm gonna share the link down below as well, so that way you guys have the same setup as I do, completely for free, as a big bonus if you guys do help me out by liking this video. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, comments, concerns, and I'll see you guys soon.